Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use music in YouTube videos without copyright. So here are the few methods on how to use music on YouTube without copyright. First is you can use YouTube Audio Library. So go to YouTube Studio, click Audio Library on the left sidebar. Here you can search for music by genre, mood, artist, or instrument. You can click the download icon to use it in your video. Some tracks require attribution, so check the license type. You can use any music here without getting a copyright strike. Now, step 2. Use royalty-free music websites. So there are sites offer copyright-safe music such as Epidemic Sound, Artist.io, Band Sound, Pixabay Music. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Pixabay Music. So go to Pixabay. Here, you can search for any music that you want. For example, I will be uploading or posting video about aesthetic music or aesthetic view. So I have to look for aesthetic background music here. Then I can select from any of this. And then I can now tap on the download button. Now, step 3, buy a commercial license. So if you want to use a popular or specific track, purchase a commercial license directly from Audio Jungle, Pond5, or Premium Beat. So for example, Audio Jungle, this legally allows use in monetized YouTube videos. Step 4, use music with a Creative Commons license. So you can use this Creative Commons license sites right here. And then next is, or final is, give proper credit if required. If a track requires attribution and the following in your video description, you should copy this and paste it to your YouTube description. For example, the music, license under Creative Commons attribution, and then source or URL. This is an example, so I'm going to paste it right here. And this is what it looks like. So basically, these are the ways on how to use music on YouTube without videos copyright. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.